These are the frozen waterfalls at Mount Whitney Portal. It is freezing up here, as you can see, literally. This is the same waterfall that I posted a video of in the summer that was just incredibly beautiful. And now it's still incredibly beautiful, but in a different way. The thing that's really cool is if you look, I wonder if I can get it, I probably can't. Underneath that frozen exterior, there is still water falling underneath it. It's just beautiful. And I'm sure you can hear it down here. I'm going to show you. Man, it's cold. Coming down here. Maybe I'll come down a little further. So in case any of you are feeling adventurous, Peter, Ethan, and I are planning to climb Mount Whitney probably next year. So anyone who wants to join us, start training now, could be really cool. So look at that. See the water just going underneath the incredible ice. I have some visitors here. There's Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Daisy, the intrepid mountain dog now. Say hey, Peter.
Hello.
So, anyway, wanted to share this with everyone because it is so stunning. Happy Thanksgiving. Talk to you soon.